मैम आप बोल दो तुम्हें सब क्या करवानी है?
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class grade 2. Today is 13 January 2021 and the day is Wednesday. We are going to start our English class. Open your English book, Discover English 2. Unit 15, Forces and Movement. Page number 150. Forces and Movement. आज हम अपना टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे, रीडिंग एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन करेंगे फोर्सेस एंड मूवमेंट की। अच्छा, तो सबसे पहले मैं थोड़ा सा आपको इस टॉपिक के बारे में बता दूं। दिस टेक्स्ट इज एन इंफॉर्मेशनल टेक्स्ट। ये जो टेक्स्ट है ना हमारा फोर्सेस एंड मूवमेंट जो है ये एक इंफॉर्मेशनल टेक्स्ट है, ठीक है। रिमेंबर, इंफॉर्मेशनल टेक्स्ट टेल अस अबाउट आवर वर्ल्ड। इंफॉर्मेशनल टेक्स्ट जो है वो हमें बताते हैं हमारी पूरी वर्ल्ड के बारे में। इंफॉर्मेशनल टेक्स्ट टेल्स अबाउट आवर वर्ल्ड। ओके, पेज नंबर 150। ओके बेटा, अच्छा बेटे बात सुने, सब बच्चे मेरी बात ध्यान से सुने। बेटा पहले मैं आप लोग के साथ मैं रीड करूंगी, ठीक है, उसके बाद आपने रिपीट करना है, ठीक है, सही है। अच्छा, हमारे टेक्स्ट का नाम क्या है? फोर्सेस एंड मूवमेंट। क्या है बेटे, बोले आप लोग?
फोर्सेस एंड मूवमेंट।
गुड, वेरी गुड। वी सी थिंग्स, we see things। आप दोनों क्यों नहीं पढ़ रहे बेटे? We see things move every day, move every day। We see people walking around, walking, birds flying, and leaves falling to the ground, and leaves falling to the ground. They move up and down, falling to the ground on a windy day. Sorry, falling to the ground. Put finger in your book. On a windy day, things move in many ways. Thing moves in many ways. बेटे वे है वे, WAY वे। सुभान और फारूक आप दोनों पढ़ नहीं रहे? माइक को खोलें, अपने माइक ऑन करें।
Up and down.
They move up and down.
They move up and down.
Right and left. Right and left. And over and under things.
And under
Things. Look around your classroom.
Classroom.
What things are moving?
What
Okay, force. F-O-R-C-E, force. A force makes something move. A push is a force. A push is a force, and it moves something away, and it moves something away from you. From you. We push people on swings. A pull is a force to, and it moves something toward you. We pull things in wagon. We pull things. Can you name something you push and something you pull? Good. Okay, next, movement. Movement. A small force causes a small movement, and a big force, and a big force cause a big movement. When we use a small force, when we use a small force to throw a ball, it does not go far. When we use a big force to throw the same ball, it goes a long way. It is easier to move a light thing than a heavy thing. We can move a toy car with a small force. Because it's light. Because it's light. We need a big force to move a real car because it's heavy. Now move to next slide. Okay, speed. Book page number 151. Book page number 151, speed. Speed is how fast things move जी बेटे 2 मिनट रुके. Okay. Speed is how fast thing move. Speed is things move. Something like a train. Something like a train. Move fast and something like a tortoise. And something like a tortoise. Tortoise moves slowly. Can you name some things that move fast? A force can change the speed of thing. A force can change the speed of things. When you push a door with a small force. बेटे इंग्लिश की टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन करें, पेज नंबर 150. It opens slowly. But when you push a 150. When you push a big force, it opens quickly. Okay. Today's message: push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you.